6 a.m. Can't tell by my voice, I am still tired. Gotta drop off Josiah to daycare and my mom to work because I had gotten in an accident. I'm gonna put like a picture right here of what happened to my car. Basically, like, a person was texting and driving at the same time on the freeway on the far left side of the wall, and then clearly made a whole U-turn in front of me and this car that was in front of me, and I hit the car in front of me, and the car in front of me took off. Maybe they didn't have insurance, so my car is in the shop. My dad has been dropping me off to work this week, and I don't even know how long my car will be at the car storage for the insurance to bring it to the auto shop. Probably so much. Oh my goodness. He pooped in the car. I don't have the diapers in the
Yeah. Just need to move this to the page. So I'm just looking at we'll get the diaper from the plastic.
Hi, baby.